So last week we painted the tabletop in our Legacy white. It's now been a whole week of drying and we are going to show you how to stencil today. We are going to be using carbon and imperial silk. So remember the golden rule, give your paint a good stir, and then I'm going to show you how little paint you need on your stencil brushes in order to do the stenciling. So always have a lappy handy, and then just get rid of the excess paint so that it's very dry. And then we just dab. If you have too much paint on your brush, you're going to end up bleeding paint underneath the stencil, and then it's a matter of having to paint the whole surface again and start over. So rather too little paint than too much. Okay, so now for the big reveal. And then we move on to the next. Of course now, the masking tape. Ta-da! Okay, so obviously now polka dots, we're going to make a polka dot table for our warehouse. I'm going to be doing the next round, and then we'll take you through the process. My favorite part is to check what we've done here. Ta-da! Looking awesome. And I'm done. So you can see here we've got our Polka.Table ready to go. Just a few tips on stenciling. Secure your stencil with masking tape. Use a stencil brush. Very, very little paint. Always have a lappy around just to dab most of the paint off. And then it's dab movements. Some people also use sponges, that also works well. I prefer the stencil brush. So yes, our next step will be to paint the bottom of the table in carbon, and then the grand finale is going to be showing you polka seal.